Hello. Now let us learn the meaning of approximation. Now, when we say to approximate a value or to perform the task of approximation, it means that the result you get from this mathematical operation that is so close to the exact result for a specific purpose, then what you get there is called an approximation. So let's define approximation in writing. So we say approximation is the result obtained from a mathematical task that is close to the actual result required for a specific purpose. So when you're asked to perform mathematical operations and then you are guessing out or working on results, estimating the result such that you get an answer that is very close to the actual result expected of you for that purpose, then what you have done there is approximation. Thank you.